apart from, well, few branches, a different variety grafted onto it. That's a grafting giant, saddle graft, and the color of the leaves is different from rest of the tree. There's another tree, a pear tree with a few varieties, originally two different varieties grafted onto it. The main stem and the top branches, they broke down with the weight of the fruit, and I had to cut the top. That is where it snapped under the weight of the fruit. Now new branches have grown, and hopefully next year some of them will fruit. Those are the leaves from my neighbor's house. Those two big sycamore trees, which used to make a lot of mess in the surrounding houses as well, and to avoid any unpleasant conflict with my neighbor, I requested him to throw all the leaves on my side, and I can use it as a compost, and I can also use for insulating. I have shifted all those smaller plants on this side, and I have put these leaves, and they will insulate it throughout the winter. Now these small fig trees are a year old, and some of them have grown quite, and some still have few leaves. So these leaves, they will insulate these figs through the winter. I have that russet apple, which I had put some grafts and put a bag around them. Next to it is another grapes vine, and some small plum trees in the ground. The leaves have been used to insulate them, although they can easily cope with the cold winter. I have made a kind of greenhouse, put a big plastic bag on top of a wooden frame. These are the trees which I grafted very late, and I wanted to give them a bit extra hand, and some of them, they look like they are growing, and that growth was not possible without these, and I can see a little bit new growth, but hopefully these special arrangements will have some good effects on these newly grafted apple trees. There's another plum tree next to the grapevine. These are green grapes. That's a different variety. Grafts on my cherry tree. They have grown, and hopefully they will produce nice cherries next year. Red berries, they are looking so beautiful. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and let others know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Thank you.